So this is called the oil pressure warning light. If you see this on your dashboard, it most likely means that your oil pressure is low and the oil is not circulating or being pumped fast enough or hard enough to lubricate your engine. This is something that you should be concerned about, and you should check with your local mechanic as soon as possible, because when your engine is not lubricated, it can cause metal shavings and eventually damage your engine. So for a tire pressure warning light, you will often see this during the time that you change your tires. Generally, what this means is that your tire pressures are low, and when the temperature decreases, so does the pressure as well. So make sure when you change your tires to always pump them back up, and you can always find the recommended PSI, the pressure that your tire needs, either on the tire itself, on the manual that you bought it from, the manufacturer's website, or even right at the sticker of where you step in the driver's door.